As they mourn the past in Ukraine, they await a new future as world powers weigh in Monday. European Foreign Policy Chief Catherine Ashton is in Kiev, meeting with opposition leaders to discuss measures to shore up the ailing economy. With former President Viktor Yanukovych on the run, it's unclear what shape a future government will take. But there's little doubt about its financial needs. British Foreign Secretary William Hague will head to Washington for talks on Ukraine.
Ukraine's financial situation is very serious, and without outside assistance may not be sustainable.
The finance ministry in Ukraine says it needs $35 billion in foreign assistance over the next 2 years, and appealed for urgent aid in the coming weeks. White House spokesman Jay Carney says the U.S. will offer help.
The United States, working with partners around the world, stands ready to provide support for Ukraine as it takes the reforms it needs to get back to economic stability.
The unrest began last fall when Yanukovych shunned a European trade deal in favor of an economic package from Russia. Now, Russian Economic Development Minister Alexei Ulyukayev says the next $2 billion installment is in, quote, standby status.
Well, it depends on who will be the responsible figures, because it's a very big amount of money. When IMF or other responsible institutions provide support, it asks for the conditions and asks about the partners. So the same will do us.
So far, Russia has provided $3 billion in economic aid to Ukraine out of the $15 billion pledged.